Hello students, in this video we will be learning about Singleton Am, expression and spectrums. Now we will see the amplitude modulation for singleton. Previously we seen amplitude modulation for general message. Are you getting my point or not? Now we will see for the singleton. Let us assume message signal is m of t equal to am cos 2 pi fmt. I understand my point. Now, obviously carrier is same. Let us assume carrier signal is C of t equal to, we already know, AC cos 2 pi fct. Got the point or not? Now, what is the expression of the AM? We have general expression of AM is, students, AC into 1 plus Ka into m of t into cos 2 pi fct. But here m of t is what? Singleton. Please substitute the m of t. If we substitute the m of t, then AC into 1 plus Ka into m of t is am cos 2 pi fmt. Into cos 2 pi fct. Then what is the singleton expression of AM is, students, very important expression. AC into 1 plus Ka into AM is called mu, the modulation index. I will explain you about that. Into cos 2 pi fmt into cos 2 pi fct. Are you getting my point or not? Here, this is the singleton expression of AM. In the previous slide given general expression, this is the singleton expression. In the total 17 list, this is the second one. So what is mu? Mu equal to Ka into AM. What is Ka? We already mathematical know 1 by AC, so I can also say AM by AC as a mathematical. What is the introduction of this mu term? Can I explain you? Why we are introducing mu term is to evaluate or to understanding about the envelope detection. We brought a term that is called modulation index. But no modulation index in DSBSc, SSBSc, VSBSc. Here only we bring that concept because for the envelope detection, to maintain the condition for the explanation for understanding of the envelope detection, that is a demodulation technique. Anyhow, what is mu is called, students? Mu is called modulation index. AM modulation index. Are you getting my point? Of course, it is a unitless quantity because AM by AC. So what is mu? Depending upon, or we need to choose a proper mu value for envelope detection. That points I will explain. Now, based on this mu value, students, we are having three types of modulations. If mu value less than 1, mu value greater than 1, mu value equal to 1. Greater than 1, let me start with the first one. Less than 1 is called, students, under modulation. Greater than 1 is called over modulation. Equal to 1 is called critical modulation. We are having 3. 1, 2, 3. One is under modulation, over modulation, critical modulation. Anyhow, what is the preferred modulation scheme in AM? The preferred modulation scheme in AM is under modulation, students. Why under modulations are? In under modulation only we can demodulate by using envelope detection. We can demodulate by using envelope detection. Are you getting my point? Why we have to go for envelope detection, sir? Envelope detection is a simple and less cost, because where we are using this amplitude modulation we are using for AM radio. You can go back to the olden days in 70s, 60s, having radio itself in a village, one radio itself having a big thing. Having radio itself is a big thing. Radio means what? The demodulator. If you want to decrease the means, if you want to increase our broadcasting means, the people has to purchase a radio. When it will be feasible for the people, obviously its cost is less. If you want to decrease that cost less, we need to decrease the demodulation cost. If you want to decrease the demodulation cost, we need to go for envelope detection. If you want to go for envelope detection, under modulation is preferred. Why, sir? I will explain you. I will explain you in the envelope detection, or I will explain you in the waveforms. Wait. Critical modulation, the word itself is critical. Practically maintaining the 100% of modulation is not possible. So the preferred modulation is under modulation. Why envelope detection is possible? Are you getting my point? Why envelope detection? Because simple and less cost. Then radio cost will decrease. Then we can increase our broadcasting. Because in the broadcasting example, radio means transmitter is only one. For example, if you take in Hyderabad, there is a 198.3 FM station is there. How many 98.3 FM stations in Hyderabad? Only one. But how many receivers, means how many radios are there, or how many people can tune that? Lakhs, crores of people. Always in the example of a broadcasting, transmitter is one, receivers are more, crores also. So even in AM modulation also, transmitters are one, but receivers are huge. That is called broadcasting. So when we can increase that broadcasting, or when we can decrease the total communication cost, if we decrease the radio cost, that is receiver cost. Even if we are decreasing single rupee in each receiver, we can save crores of rupees. Are you understanding my point or not? So this is the second expression, at least this is the singleton AM expression and modulation index. Further this will extend. Clear? We got the singleton expression SAM of t equal to AC into 1 plus mu cos 2 pi FMT into cos 2 pi FC. Let's see further. Now let's multiply with the inside terms. AC into 1 AC into cos 2 pi FCT, AC into mu into cos 2 pi FMT into cos 2 pi FCT. Got the point or not? Follow. Now, here whenever in the communication system, if we are getting cos A into cos B, or sin A into sin B, or cos square A, or sin square A, try to expand. What is cos A cos B formula? Cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Are you getting my point or not? Like what is sin A sin B formula? Like cos A sin B sin A cos B. If both the terms are same, then cos terms will come. Different means sin terms will come. Like cos square A 1 minus or 1 plus cos 2A by 2, sin square A 1 minus, like these formulas remember student. Here cos A cos B or cos A cos B, because generally A means bigger term will take, FC is the larger. So what is the another expression we will get for the singleton? Another expression is AC into cos 2 pi FCT plus AC mu by 2 into A plus B. So cos 2 pi into FC plus FMT plus AC mu by 2 cos 2 pi into FC minus FMT. This is the third expression. This is another expression for singleton modulation. In the overall list, this is the third one. So you can see that expression. What is there? SAM of t equal to AC cos 2 pi FCT, additional carrier. The frequencies above FC is called what I told? Upper side band. Frequencies below FC, lower side band. This is the additional carrier term. So finally, what we are having in Singleton AM equation? In Singleton AM equation, we are having additional carrier, upper side band and lower side band. Are you getting my point or not? Now, once if we got the expression, then we will write the spectrum. Coming to the spectrum, students, if you see the expression of AM, all the three terms are cost terms. If it is cost terms, how to draw the spectrum? I already told you in the previously, if it is a cost term, then how to write the spectrum? I told that draw the impulse at their frequencies. Draw the impulse at their frequencies. So let's see the first term. What is its frequency? FC. So write impulse at FC. One more is exactly negative version. Write at minus FC. See the second term. What is the second term? Also cost term only. But what is its frequency? FC plus FM. So write the impulse at FC plus FM. One more is negative version. Exactly minus FC minus FM. See the third term. Third term also cost term. Cost term means write the impulse at their frequency. What is the frequency of third term? FC minus FM. Here also. Minus FC minus of minus plus FM. What is the strength of the impulse I told? Take amplitude, divide by 2. So AC by 2. This is also AC by 2. Whatever the remaining, all are having same strength. What is the strength of them? Take amplitude, divide by 2. What is the amplitude? AC mu by 2. Divide by 2 means AC mu by 4. Got my point or not? Then, what is the bandwidth? Bandwidth is nothing but highest frequency component minus lowest in the positive side. Highest is FC plus FM minus lowest is FC minus FM. Then how much you will get? 2 FM. I can say FM is the message signal frequency. So you can say 2 times the message signal frequency. Got my point? This is the another expression of Singleton AM. This is the spectrum. This is the bandwidth. Got my point? Now we will see the power calculations like efficiency, like current equations, voltage equations. Further will extend. Clear?